Hi friends and welcome. One of the most useful data types in Python is a dictionary. In this lesson, you will learn what a dictionary is and how it differs from a list and a tuple. Think of a dictionary as another container like a list and a tuple, but it stores its data in a slightly different way. Every item in a dictionary has both a key and a value. You can visualize the Dict data type as a real dictionary where a word corresponds to its definition. In the context of Python, the word represents the key, and the definition is the value that the key holds. To create a dictionary in Python, we simply enclose all the keys and values within curly braces. Each key is separated from its value by a colon. For instance, the first key is age, and the value is 7. The second key is name, and the value is Ray. Immediately after the first key and value, a comma is introduced before the next key and value. Essentially, a dictionary in Python allows you to associate one thing with another. The values of a dictionary can be any data type. For example, the first value is a number, while the second is a string. But the keys must be of an immutable type, such as a string, numbers, tuples. A mutable data type, such as a list, cannot be used as key in a dictionary. Creating a dictionary in Python is like making a list of words and their meanings. Every item in a dictionary has a key and a value. Let's declare a variable which is a dictionary. User_info, which is user information, equals. Items of a dictionary are enclosed in curly braces. Then we can say the first key is name and the value is Ray, which is a string. The second key is age and the value is 10. This is a dictionary data type. Each key in a dictionary is separated from its value by using a colon. An item is separated from another item using a comma, which is what we have here. Remember that keys of a dictionary must be an immutable data type, such as strings and numbers. We cannot use a mutable data type, such as a list, as a dictionary key. Let's use the type functions to know the type of the variables created. Print type user_info. Let's execute the program and see the output. Great, the type of the variable we have just created is a dictionary, which is a key value pair. To create an empty dictionary, we can make use of empty curly braces or simply use the dict function. Let's declare a new variable. Variable A equals dict. Variable B equals dict. These are the two ways we can create an empty dictionary: by using empty curly braces or by using the dict function. Let's print out the value of both variables. Print variable A, print variable B. Let's execute the program. Great. The two variables we have created are empty dictionaries as shown on the terminal. We can access a dictionary item by using square brackets along with the key to obtain its value. For example, let's say we want to access the age from the user information dictionary. We need to mention the name of the dictionary, which is user_info, followed by open and close brackets containing the key we want to access. In this case, let's access the name. Let's print out the results. Print. So let's execute the program. Great. We have been able to access the value by using the key, which is name in this case. If we need to access age, we specify the age as the key. Let's run the program again. Great. The first result is Ray, which is the value of the name, and the second result is 10, which is the value of the age. We simply make use of the keys to access the values. You do not need to remember the order of items as you do with lists or tuples. It is important to note that if we try to access a key which cannot be found in the dictionary, Python is going to throw a key error. Let's see that in action. Age 1, which is a key. Now let's execute the program. Python raised a key error. That is because age 1 that we have specified is not a key in the dictionary. You can add an item to a dictionary by specifying the name of the dictionary, followed by square brackets containing the key you want to add. Let's say age equals 9. This operation is going to add a new item having the key to be age and the value to be 9 to the dictionary. By the end of this operation, we have two items in the dictionary, which is name and age. Let's print out the content of the dictionary. Execute the program. Great. The content of user information has been updated to include a new item having the key to be age and the value to be 9. If the key we intend to add is already existing in the dictionary, the value gets updated with that key. In the original dictionary, we already have the name as a key. So let's add a new item having the key to be name, which is already existing in the dictionary, and the value to be Bob. After this operation, the value of name will be updated to be Bob. Remember that a dictionary does not contain duplicate keys. So let's execute the program. Great. The value of the name has been updated to Bob. To delete an item from a dictionary in Python, you can make use of the del statement. Del, specify the name of the dictionary, then the key to delete, which is name in this case. Let's print out the content of the dictionary after the operation. Alright, so let's execute the program. Great. As we can see, the item in the dictionary having the key to be name has been removed. If we specify a key that cannot be found, let's say 1, name 1, Python is going to throw a key error as shown earlier. Let's execute the program. Great. We can merge 2 or more dictionaries by making use of the pipe symbol, that is, this vertical line. The items in the individual dictionaries are packed into a single dictionary. Final dict equals A, which is 1, merged with another dictionary B, 2, point, final dict. The final dictionary will be a merge of what we have on the right hand side and the left hand side. We can merge more than 2 dictionaries. Let's execute the program and see the content of the final dict. Great. The final dictionary is now a single dictionary containing items from the individual dictionaries. We should also note that when keys are shared in the dictionaries, the values of the second or last dictionary take priority. In the second dictionary, we are going to create another item having the key to be A, the value to be 5. In this example, 2 dictionaries are having the key to be A. That means the value to be taken would be coming from the second or the last dictionary. Let's execute the program and see what we have. Great. A is now having value of 5 and B is having value of 2. The in keyword can be used to check if a dictionary has a particular key. Let's declare a variable has underscore key equals age in user info point as key. The result we get from this evaluation is stored in a new variable called hasKey. Age in user information cannot be found in the user information, so the result will be false. Let's execute the program. Great. Let's change this string to a key that can be found in the user info, which is name. Name in user information, yes. The result will be true. Let's run the program again. Great. The len function returns the number of items in a dictionary. Items in a dictionary are separated by commas. That means in this dictionary, we have 2 items, 1, 2. Let's print out the total number of items in the dictionary. Total item equals len user information point total items. Let's execute the program. Great. The total number of items we have in this dictionary is 2. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.